Hello YouTube. Just got this friend of mine's shop here, John Deere 6430 Premium. That's a big tractor. It's about a 6-foot tire because I'm about 5'8" and I'm at the top of it, so maybe 5.5, 6 foot. It's high. Don't really know much about these things, but I'm going to crank it up for you. Brand spanking new. It's about, what is it, I think about a month old. John Deere. Okay. You're sitting in park. Okay. Okay, we got a fan on high, which I need to take off of high. Right there. Okay. Radio. Jensen heavy duty. Nice. Got a compartment here. Hitch load depth control. Alright, let's crank it up. Half tank fuel. Gotta give the old John Deere a 3,000 RPM redline. Well, I think I got it on accessory because the CD player is on. There we go. So yeah, there you go, your walk around and cold start and all that good stuff. Guess I could try to pop the hood. I don't really know how. What's this? Hang on a sec. No, it doesn't clear this here thing, so hang on. Okay, now hang on. Just had to pull this thing, pull it out and tilt it down. There we go. Okay, we got a big battery right here. Condenser, radiator, an alternator, fuel filter, possibly oil filter, I don't know. AC compressor up at the top there. There's the exhaust coming out. Let's check out the other side. Okay, this is the fuel filter. Right there. It's one of these fans, it feels like honey when you push it, bearing in there. That's pretty cool. I wish I knew more about it to tell you guys, but I don't. Pretty funky little strap there. It's got hella lights. Put this back into place. There we go. So yeah, 60 kilogram weight on the front. Big tires. Washer fluid. It's got a big lights up, or little lights up there too. Mirrors. Wiper blades, front and rear. Pretty fancy machine. See if I can get it in a shot here. So there it is. Anyways, guys, check out my channel. If you're into tractors, I have a video I posted last year of cold starting in 1953 John Deere 40 crawler. It's my dad's little cat. So yeah, also a John Deere lawnmower with a Kawasaki engine. I cold started that as well. So you guys have a good day. Subscribe, check out my channel, and we'll talk to you later.